Hey tech enthusiasts, let's dive into what's buzzing in the Apple universe today and see why the Cupertino giant is making headlines again. First up, Apple is back in the spotlight with bold predictions about its future growth. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The company, known for its revolutionary devices, has been noticeably floundering in the artificial intelligence sector. Unlike its peers, Apple was late to the AI party, and its efforts have yet to dazzle. Apple's AI-powered virtual assistant, Siri, described rather unflatteringly by a former senior director as ugly and embarrassing, underscores these challenges. However, don't count Apple out just yet. Analysts still have faith, predicting a bright future once Apple optimizes and markets its AI offerings effectively. The intelligent virtual assistant market is poised for rapid growth, and many believe Apple is just on the brink of unleashing its potential. With shares inching up and analysts hazarding a concerted buy, the market pulse remains optimistic, anticipating a skyward trajectory for Apple stock. But wait, there's more than just speculation behind those headlines. Apple is also making strategic moves in its executive suite. The tech titan is reportedly shaking things up by creating a new role, Vice President of Stores and Retail Operations, believed to be a nod toward long-term succession planning for the incumbent Senior Vice President, Deirdre O'Brien. Vanessa Trigub, a company veteran since 2007, is the name circulating for this position, poised to oversee global retail operations. This move hints at an astute strategic grooming plan for future leadership, reflecting Apple's knack for staying ahead in its management core. Now, pair this development with Apple's earlier decision to shake up its Siri leadership, and you can see a pattern emerging. Just recently, Apple handed over the reins of Siri from AI chief John Giannandrea to Mike Rockwell of Vision Pro fame. These are subtle yet significant maneuvers indicating a drive toward reinvigoration. Why does all this matter? These shifts offer a window into Apple's foresight strategy, keen on recalibrating both its tech offerings and its central leadership to tackle looming challenges and seize growth opportunities. Aligning leadership and technology signals readiness to leapfrog into the next innovation cycle with finesse. Adding some numbers to the narrative, Apple wrapped its first quarter in style, clocking in revenue that surpassed expectations, though recent trading figures showed minor dips. So the financial front is holding steady, but strategists and investors are watching these leadership moves and AI efforts closely, waiting for them to coalesce into a compelling narrative for Apple's tech future. So Apple watchers, stay glued as we track their journey of big bets, key changes, and the pathway to redefining AI success. Stay tuned, because in the tech world, as we know, everything can change at the click of a button. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.